put in the top there. Careful. Calm down slowly. Focus. Wow! Amazing! You're the best, baby. How many towers? Count it. Count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Baby, I asked you, where are you going?
I'm going to Rita's house.
Look at me. Where are you going?
I'm going to Rita's house.
Why?
Because I love mushrooms. and I eat marshmallows.
What did you eat?
I eat marshmallows.
Oh my gosh.
Is it cereal?
It's cute.
Wow, very nice and clean, baby.
I need friends.
Isn't here that one? Wow, Messi, you're drawing?
Ta-da!
Wow, very nice. Ka-pretty sa mong cook, uy. Gi, what is that, babe? Is that tea? Nice. What are you cooking? Chicken or pork? Or vegetables? Up, careful.
Oh no! Yung gasa yan ipasa! Oh no! Ipasa! Basa!
Basa. Mabasa na sa tea. Okay, careful. Otherwise, your kitchen will be fail. Okay.
Kitchen will be... Yung design will be broken.
Yeah, careful na. I do it. I help you. Very good.
Look, the water is hot.
It's already hot?
Yeah, it is well to get done.
Okay.
To get done yourself.
Hmm?
Yeah, can you get your pen? Do you want to get pen?
Do you want me to get tea?
Do you want to get your pen?
Oh, wait, I try. Oh, it's already hot.
No, you mean it's cold.
Okay. Oh, very good. Can I have some tea? I'm thirsty. I want some hot tea. Okay, give me some hot tea. Up, careful. Okay. Give it to Mita because Mita is thirsty. Mommy too. Mommy wants some tea. Okay. Put it back here because it's no more water. It's empty. And then make it hot again. Okay. Okay. This is the water. Okay. Okay. Wait. One more. It's already full. Okay. Make it hot. And then later we have tea again, right?
Look, the tea. I see the tea. I put using to see the tea. But you give me the tea to say, oh, you give my tea.
Oh, Lolo daw dahil. Lolo daw, she asked a tea. He give tea Lolo when she come. Okay, you wanna give tea Lolo when she come home?
Lolo, come. Now want to come to Lolo's house. Come upstairs to see my view.
Oh. Go upstairs. Go some tour. Careful, huh? Because you have I know. You have socks.
Careful and hold carefully.
Hold carefully.
I have socks.
Okay, yeah.
Mommy, will take my socks off.
Your socks is slippery, man.
My socks is slippery.
Mm.
My socks is
Wow. Who's this room?
Mama.
Okay, open Mama's room.
Mama.
Oh, that's Mommy's room. Sienna's room. Open the door, Sienna's room. Wow. Do you like your room? You like your room, baby?
My paper.
Wow. You have computer in your room. How about the couch there?
Couch?
There.
Couch.
Yeah, do you like it?
Yeah.
Next. Who's this room? Mita and?
Mashana.
No, Lolo. Mita and?
Sienna.
Lolo.
And you.
Yes. Look. Because you seen it to Lolo. Wow, I like your earrings. Bago lagi siya earrings, Day. Say hi, Lolo. You like my... Thank you for my dress, eh. Say hi, Lolo. Yeah, I say, hi, Lolo. Thank you for my dress.
Mama, can you get my bag? Mita, can you get my bag?
Where's your bag?
It is in the toy.
Get down. Get down. Wala. Okay. Really do exercise, honey. Look. Wow. What else? Balance. Oh yeah. He didn't hit it. Wait, careful of the plate, ha? Ay.
I can see you with. What are you saying?
Wow, look at Lolo's drink, babe. Hi.
The weather. Wait, you have to wait a little bit.
It's hot, baby.
It's hot.
It's hot, baby. It's not hot. Wow, you like it? Yes. Wow. Say thank you, Lolo. Wow, look at that. Wait, huh?
Funny.
Are we going home?
Yes.
Yes. Yay.
Yes.